team. Underwater world so keen. Baby sharks got dreams to chase in the ocean's wide embrace. Mommy shark dives deep and true, guides her baby's care to woo. With her fin she points the way in the sea where dolphins play. Do dance the waves alive, in the currents we all thrive. Let's dive in, the bubbles burst, sea adventures quench our thirst. Coral castles treasure chase in the reefs where fish embrace. Jellyfish light up the night with their glow so soft and light. Daddy shark's a mighty sight, with his strength he guards the night, watching all the waves collide.